If you are wondering what is this black bar that we have at the top of the screen on iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, then the answer is quite simple. This black bar is called the dynamic island, and it is a feature that is used to, for example, notify you about certain features. It can also be used as a shortcut for some tools, for example, or for some accessories that are being used at a given moment. For example, the flashlight. So when the flashlight is enabled, as you can see, the dynamic island is actually a little bit wider, and I can tap on the dynamic island in order to, let's say, adjust the brightness of the flashlight or completely turn it off. And besides that, it can be used, like I said, for notifications, for calls. So if you have an incoming call, you should be able to answer or reject the call over here, or you can go back to the call in case you are, for example, in the home screen, and so much more, of course. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.